Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the brand new Superposition Playground campaign on Layer 3's Launchpad. So Superposition, the first blockchain that pays you to use it, as a campaign that's running until, March 10th. Today is January 20th, and it just launched an hour and a half ago. So we'll kind of dive in and take you on this little campaign one step at a time. I think there's 4 quests in this one today. Yeah, we'll dive into that and what superposition is and these cute little cats on this weird little abstract cool little trippy 3D art. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like from Layer 3's Launchpad, which has given rewards out for a few other campaigns in the past. I think Meet the Meta Layer, we're still waiting on some final rewards from that. Linea Park, we got Linea XP from completing that. Race to Zero, we're waiting on that as well, but they have rewards coming. They do have other races, certain campaigns that are staking exclusive, like these Launchpad campaigns that, are exclusive staking reward campaigns, and you receive different kinds of assets as a reward for completing them. So Layer 3 is building in all kinds of ways to reward their users. So if you do need any help navigating this, I have a Discord, link is down below. Go to the rules and guidelines, scroll down, thumbs up, and you'll have access to all these wonderful channels. So get in there. There's a lot of alpha. We got Plume coming, so I share a lot of stuff on there and on Twitter. Follow me at the BCR142. I share a lot of stuff, updates that I can't necessarily so yeah, a lot of good stuff that I can't necessarily get to on on YouTube. So there we go. I'm gonna actually we're gonna dive into this, and I'm gonna buy a little XP boost. So here we go. Superposition. Start with number 1. I thought there were 3 in this. So there's cubes. Okay, so we'll complete these and then see where we go from here. So Superposition is the first blockchain that pays you to use it. It includes a novel order book focused on steering order flow with faster execution speeds, shared and permissionless liquidity, account abstraction, and lower fees. It is the first DeFi native Layer 3 on top of Arbitrum 1, leveraging the Arbitrum Orbit tech stack and stylus to offer the cheapest and fastest DeFi experience available. So built using the Arbitrum Orbit stack. I meant the other day I was saying Nitro, but Nitro is their gaming L2, and I got it confused with Orbit. So this is the Mainnet. There's Longtail, the automated market maker, your Superposition domain name. You can bet on campaigns, Mainnet NFT, the Superbridge, Stargate. Stargate is a great one. Let's see here. So bridge, any amount to Superposition, any amount of ETH, I should say. So let's see what we have here. We might have to bridge from base. We'll connect our wallet and go from base. It says the ETH, but I can't, it's not allowing me to change. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna bridge this over, and then we will go to gas.zip and see if we will approve our token spending allocation. So I don't know why it's not showing up as Ethereum on this, but we shall find out. Okay, I need gas on Superposition. So what we're gonna do is go to gas.zip. Okay, Superposition is on there. Thank you. I was gonna say if it used Stargate bridge, then it would definitely be available. Whoa, that would be cool. Just wake up and see a whole ETH in there. So we'll bridge $10 in. So Superposition. We'll see how much it cost for the NFT mint, since that will be a requirement. Okay, so we have received it. Let's see here. Okay, there we go. The open superposition.so for the NFT. Okay, we got ETH on Superposition. Get ETH. Connect our wallet. All right. Superposition Alpha Mainnet is now live. Let's go. So we might have to use Firefox, depending on if this doesn't allow us to mint So check this out. All right, it's taking a minute for this. I think my computer's just having a hard time processing everything. Okay, this might be taking forever. So I'm just gonna put this down here and wait for this thing to mint because I cannot get anything to load. So I'm just gonna put this down here on this page. Just wait, hope for the best. Well, once that NFT is able to mint, you're having all kinds of issues. You'll be able to claim that. So let's go back here, the welcome. So we'll move on to Longtail, and this fucking NFT mint is disaster. So Longtail, an automated market maker on Superposition. It offers token swaps with competitive fees and rewards users for trading. The Longtail is the first AMM built with Arbitrum Stylus, which allows for Rust-powered smart contracts that are 10x less costly than Solidity. So it's a V3 AMM that follows the concentrated liquidity model, resulting in greater capital and trading efficiency, which we all like. So swap at least 100 USDC in a single transaction via Longtail on Superposition. Let's see, I don't have 100 USDC readily available, so I have to move some stuff around, but we'll check this out anyways and see how to trade on here. So we want to make a single trade, swap, get started. Okay, so basically you just have to swap 100 USDC and you'll be able to claim this, and probably adding liquidity. You'll be staking in one of these pools, probably USDC. But when you go to this adding liquidity, yeah, just go here, add probably half of each. You might have to swap into some other coins. So let me see. Sometimes you can put a single asset in there, but many times the pair, no, they're all pairs. So you need to put a little bit of each. So that's Longtail. They have swap and stake. They have point system. So keep an eye out for that. Superposition, and okay, next up, Meow Domains. And then I'm gonna pop this cubes on here as the finishing touch. So Meow Domains provides digital identities on Superposition, allowing users to send tokens and serve as usernames within Superposition dApps. So mint a Meow domain. Yeah, and it's not just about you having a domain name to send funds to. It's like your username that people can find you by, instead of having your wallet address with all these mumble jumble numbers and shit like that. So I don't have enough on here right now. So the BCR142, and I don't believe I have enough for this, but we shall see. Okay, I did have enough. So yeah, share your referral. Yep, shake, rattle, and roll. Okay, I'm going to post claim your Meow domain. All right, there we go. Now cubes. So cubes, you know, your on-chain identity for layer 3. So verify that you hold any amount of ETH on Superposition, which we have bridge to. And it's funny because they don't offer ETH to bridge into Superposition. Oh, okay, you have to go from Arbitrum, I guess. That's weird, because why wouldn't it let me do that earlier? Okay, well, I guess you can, so my bad. It seemed a little silly. I was like, why did they ask for that? But there you go. My bad. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm gonna have to move some funds around and get some USDC in here to complete this, and also get this Mainnet NFT mint to go live. So there you go. Superposition. Gonna be a fun one. We got 2 out of the 4, and we'll try and complete these as we go, but be on the lookout for more. So get excited. New project just launching. Hopeful to put yourself in a good position for an airdrop. But if you have any questions, comments, need any help, link is down below. Jump in the Discord. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.